Welcome to SandFil International Talent Management Online Training Series. When businesses aim for success, the most crucial and critical advantage they have over competitors is their talent pool. From top management to employees, every talent source you have counts. The objective is to achieve excellence in employee and organizational performance. The program establishes individual goals that are aligned with the corporate plans, and provides essential and timely feedback to improve and enhance employee performance. It forms the basis on which managers recognize staff contributions and enables staff to plan their own learning and development in their current jobs. It also assists them in developing their future career plans. Step 1. Organization's missions and objectives. These objectives are the statements of an organization's highest level purpose, desired end state, and methodology for achieving that end state for its business systems. All objectives and measures should support these statements. Mission is to provide business services to support accomplishment of the department's programmatic goals and objectives. Vision is to deliver on a timely basis the best value product or service to our customers while maintaining the public's trust and fulfilling public policy objectives. Strategy is to develop and maintain an organizational culture, management systems, and line processes in the acquisition system that ensure a focus on results, while emphasizing integrity, fairness, competition, openness, and efficiency. Step 2. Balanced Scorecard. The Balanced Scorecard is a performance measurement and performance management system developed by Robert Kaplan and David Norton and has been adopted by a wide range of leading-edge organizations, both public and private. Step 3. Performance expectation. The performance expectation of the entire organization is being set. Step 4. Managing employee performance. The cycle. This is the most important step to ensure the expectation set is properly planned, monitored, assessed and reviewed. What is Balanced Scorecard? The Balanced Scorecard is a conceptual framework for translating an organization's vision into a set of performance indicators distributed among 4 perspectives: financial, customer, internal business processes, and learning and growth. Indicators are maintained to measure an organization's progress toward achieving its vision. Other indicators are maintained to measure the long-term drivers of success. Through the Balanced Scorecard, an organization monitors both its current performance on finances, customer satisfaction, and business process results and its efforts to improve processes, motivate and educate employees, and enhance information systems and its ability to learn and improve. The 4 perspectives of the Balanced Scorecard. Financial. Financial objectives represent clear long-range targets for profit-seeking organizations operating in a purely commercial environment. Success for such organizations should be measured by how effectively and efficiently these organizations meet the needs of their constituencies. This perspective captures cost efficiency, delivering maximum value to the investors for each dollar spent. Customer. This perspective captures the ability of the organization to provide quality goods and services, effective delivery, and overall customer satisfaction. Internal business processes. This perspective provides data regarding the internal business results against measures that lead to financial success and satisfied customers. To meet the organizational objectives and customers' expectations, organizations must identify the key business processes at which they must excel. Key processes are monitored to ensure that outcomes are satisfactory. Internal business processes are the mechanisms through which performance expectations are achieved. Learning and growth. This perspective captures the ability of employees, information systems, and organizational alignment to manage the business and adapt to change. Processes will only succeed if adequately skilled and motivated employees, supplied with accurate and timely information, are driving them. In order to meet changing requirements and customer expectations, employees may be asked to take on dramatically new responsibilities, and may require skills, capabilities, technologies, and organizational designs that were not available before. Once the organizational objectives are defined in Balanced Scorecard, the performance managing cycle is to implement it and ensuring the objectives are met. These are the four important phases of performance management cycle that every organization should follow, especially the performance execution where most of the organization has missed out. Phase 1. Performance planning. Once the organizational objectives are clearly defined through Balanced Scorecard, the performance cycle is to implement to ensure it is well planned, monitored, assessed and reviewed. You need to define and develop performance goals based on annual plans, ongoing accountabilities, skill assessment, measures of quality and quantity, and learning and growth. The key result area are distributed to the respective department heads and the key performance indexes are assigned to each individual employees. Phase 2. Performance execution. The performance period covers the time between Phase 1 and Phase 4. During this time, the manager provides ongoing consultation, counseling, coaching and performance feedback to the employee. The manager and employee keep track of how the employee is doing relative to the performance management plan. At minimum, a mid-year meeting should be held to review goals and discuss performance to date, and if necessary, make amendments to the form. Phase 3. Performance assessment. The manager and employee are responsible for obtaining information toward data related to the achievement of development action plans and performance of the goals and applicable measures. This could include employee appraisals, data from surveys, and reports or input from peers, customers, and so on. Phase 4. Performance review. The manager and employee review documented key goals and measures, and the development action plans related to skills and attributes contained in the form, in advance of the review meeting. This includes the analysis of performance and skills, review, development for the job and for the future, skill planning, and use assessment info for new goals. You may contact us for further discussion. Thank you for your time and have a nice day.